Have you ever wondered how some people always seem to look so neat and put together no matter where they go? Well, today I'll be sharing some of my best tips and tricks to help you look and feel neat, clean, and confident whether you're going to school, work, or just hanging out with friends. So let's get started. Maintain good hygiene. First and foremost, proper hygiene is important. Key to looking put together and clean is maintaining clean skin and appearance. To get rid of any dirt or oils, wash your face both in the morning and at night using a gentle cleanser. And of course, brushing your teeth twice a day contributes to having a bright smile and fresh breath. Don't forget to use deodorant to stay fresh throughout the day. And a light body mist or perfume spray helps you feel even more put together. Wear clean and well-fitted clothes. Nothing says put together like clothing that is wrinkle-free and clean. Try to plan your outfit the night before and make sure everything is neat and well-ironed. You not only look amazing when you dress to fit your style and body type, but you also feel more comfortable and confident. Even basic clothing can look amazing if they are neat and well-fitting. Keep your hair classy and tidy. Your hair comes next. Ensure that your hair is tidy and combed out, regardless of whether it is worn down in a ponytail or in a lovely bun. You appear instantly more put together when your hair is clean and tidy. For busy days, you can use a small amount of dry shampoo or leave-in conditioner to maintain your hair frizz-free and silky. Pay attention to your nails and hands. Take care of your nails and hands. Keep your nails trimmed, clean, and shaped. You don't need a fancy manicure, just neat, well-kept nails will do the job. Also, regularly moisturize your hands to keep them soft and fresh-looking. Accessorize. Let's talk about accessorizing. Adding a few basic items like a watch, small earrings, or a simple necklace can complete your look. Pick pieces that match your outfit but aren't too flashy. The goal is to add a little style while still looking neat and put together. Clean girl makeup. If you wear makeup, go for a light, natural look for an everyday clean appearance. Use a little concealer, some mascara, and a tinted lip balm or gloss. The idea is to highlight your features without overdoing it because less is more. Organize your bag. A clean, organized bag is a must. So keep your bag neat and organized. Whether it's your school backpack or your purse, a clutter-free bag helps you stay organized and makes you look more put together. Plus, it's easier to find what you need quickly. Confidence. Finally, remember that confidence is key. Looking neat and clean is important, but it's your confidence that really makes you stand out. Stand tall, smile, and be proud of your look. When you feel good about yourself, you'll always shine. So there you have it, simple but effective tips to help you look neat, clean, and confident every day. We have come to the end of the video. Let me know in the comments what your go-to tips are for feeling put together. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!